Hello, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Talal Mustafa. I am student of P. Meher Ali Shah Arid Agriculture University. Currently, I am doing BS Environmental Science. Today, my topic of discussion is the book that I have prepared, and I am going to discuss about the summary of my book. So, basically, my book is about the basic concept of environmental science. In this book, we would know the basic terminologies of environment, environmental issues, and also how to tackle that issues. And we also discuss it what is our responsibilities towards environment. So first we should see book objectives, in which we understanding the environment, basic concepts, global climate change, average temperature increase, municipal waste disposal, and civic sense. So what is environment? Anything that affects the living thing around it is called as environment. The effect can be either positive or negative. Now we talk about spheres of life. In this, generally, it is considered that there is four spheres of life: atmosphere, biosphere, lithosphere, hydrosphere, and biosphere. Global climate change. It is the most burning issue of environmental science and also all over the world. Climate change is one of the most burning issue of present era because it has concern with the existence of lives on planet. It has to be solved. Global climate change caused intense weather condition. It also threatened the biodiversity as well. Second, the most common issue is the average rise in annual temperature. So in this slide we'll discuss globally increasing of the temperature of earth either through global warming or anthropogenic activities of human is burning issue. Environmentalists eager to find the ways to keep the annual rise in temperature less than 1% is necessary because it melts the glaciers which ultimately harm the life on earth by increasing sea levels. Municipal waste is the also one of the most burning issue, and we also know that solid waste management is one of the hottest issue in the environmental science. Basically, solid waste disposal is necessary because we very well know that it emits methane which rise the temperature, and we also know that environmentalists are eagerly involved to keep the maximum annual temperature less than 1 degree. If they'll fail, then this planet Earth is not more available for life. It has also have some toxic substances which are either not good for health. Civic sense. Now we'll talk about what are our responsibilities towards our environment. We all must have positive attitude towards our environment. Government should fix environmental cost on the projects. Environmental cost means something that has affects environment. It should have to pay this cost. We should adopt 3R strategies for better use of resources, and 3R strategies are reuse, restart, and recycle. And we should not stake the future of our children on our needs. So what is basically all of you know about after reading the book, you should know the environment actually is. You should understand the spheres of life. You're understanding the environmental problems and what is our responsibilities. Questions? Thank you.